Assalamu alaikum. How are you? And today's topic is Daraz 11.11 campaign. If you don't want to enter on Daraz 11.11 campaign due to loss, then I will explain you how to withdraw from these campaigns. Find the link under the description and fill out the campaign form. Select your registered email with seller account, then click yes, I want to withdraw. Then select campaign and then put your seller ID or seller short code and then put the rest. So you can easily find on finance department order overview and open an order, and then you will find Daraz code and seller's code, then copy and paste it and select any reason like price increase and put your registered email and then submit, and your form to withdraw product from campaign is submit. But one bad option is that you can select single item and single campaign, and if you have 100 of items then it takes too much time. Thanks for watching.